Welcome! My name is Noreen, and in this video we are going to cover the snapshot function, including how to use Sync Snapshot for stereo calibration. We are going to introduce the snapshot function and how to use it. We will then go through a demonstration of how to capture sync snapshot files for stereo calibration. The PCC snapshot function creates a single still image from the live camera with all image processing applied. These files can be used to document the setup before the test begins. All snapshots save as TIFF files, but you can choose with format of TIFF in the settings menu in the Files and Naming section. This is also where you select the naming convention, including folder name and location of the saved snapshot images. File and folder names can be changed to your preference, and that preference is retained the next time you start PCC. Just like when saving cine files, you can type in the name box to enter something specific for that session, or simply rely on the naming shortcuts included with PCC. The image file is saved to the specified location when you press the single camera snapshot button next to the project name or use the Ctrl-P shortcut. Select Browse Snapshot Folder in the drop-down menu to quickly navigate to the folder where the files are being saved. Sync Snapshot employs the same concept. However, this mode is a specific PCC function for synchronized cameras in a stereo configuration and necessary for digital image correlation applications. This is how 3D calibration images are captured. Both Snapshot and Sync Snapshot use the TIFF file format, name structure, and save location that are specified in the Settings, Files and Naming Snapshot menu. The first step is to ensure the cameras are properly synchronized, both the camera hardware and the PCC sync settings. The F-Sync ports must be connected together and the trigger ports must be attached to a common trigger source. Remember to specify one camera as sync internal, this is the primary camera, and the others to sync external, the secondary cameras. Then supply the primary camera's serial number to the secondary cameras. Next, in the Program Settings, Files and Naming, Snapshot menu, review the format, name settings, and location. At this time, you might want to clear out the Snapshot folder. Navigate to the folder using the Snapshot menu and delete any old or unnecessary files before beginning the session. Once verified, click on the Snapshot icon and press Sync Snapshot in the drop-down. A blue stripe is placed on top of the PCC screen with the snapshot number and calibration number available to specify as the session continues. Note that the software trigger is no longer available. The hardware trigger, like a pickle switch, must be used. PCC also reminds you of this by conveying Ready for Hardware Trigger in the center bar where the purple software capture camera button usually is. With each press of the hardware trigger, a new image will be taken from each camera and be placed in the snapshot folder. To review the images, simply navigate to the Browse Snapshot folder. When the calibration session is complete, select Done in the center bar. PCC is now back to normal operation and ready to capture synchronized cine files from the setup. To recap, in this video, we learned what a snapshot is and what it is used for. We also learned about the Sync Snapshot feature and how to use and save a 3D digital image correlation or stereo calibration session. In the next set of videos, we will look at some additional PCC functions, including camera signals and programmable I/O. We hope to see you there.